What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Look who's here.
Peace!
Yeah.
Do my continuing education.
With Rock your 4x4?
Yep. Education every day.
You learning how to wheel?
Knowledge is power.
Anywho. So, quick update. So things been going pretty consistently. We got a bunch of people out the last couple of days now that we have 3 techs working, so that's freaking awesome. Allows me to stay in there, do my thing, and then Jessica staying in there doing her thing. So everybody's getting in and getting out. So, quick update. Not much is going on in the shop today because tomorrow we are going to Stony Lonesome in Coleman, Alabama to Scruggs Jeep. So guys, if you want to come down there, come check us out, come see us. The school bus will be up there. Stacy's driving Rabbit. I'm taking mine. Jessica's taking Karen. So we're all going to have fun out there. It's going to be a great time. So guys, if you want to come out with us. Anywho, so we're doing some simple steps on Mr. Glacier's Jeep. So we got some new rough country steps. So we're getting that all set up. We got some General Grabber mud terrains. We're going to be putting on a Wagoneer tomorrow, so that'll be cool. We got a new soft top for a customer. It's the soft top that makes the back of a 4-door turn into a truck, so that's pretty kick-ass. I haven't screwed with that one yet, so that'll be fun. Jake's having a great time. Say hi. So he's doing his thing. Betty White's getting kind of ready. Oh, I fixed the sway bar disconnect, so now we're sway bar disconnecting, so we're good there. Oh, we got Mr. Don Scruggs Jeep in here. He took a tumble on an awesome trail, so we're doing a insurance claim for him, but he took a little tumble, you know, just a little bit. Nothing too bad. And I say that sarcastically because if you look at the body here, you see how it's kind of it's pretty straight. The roll cage bar on this very back right here kind of looks a little weird, but on this side, yeah, it's something's wrong there. So I don't know if you can tell off the video, but this is pretty effed. So we're gonna be doing some work to this guy. Oh, I jacked everything up. Whew. Luckily, nobody got hurt. So that's why roll cages are important, guys. Anywho, something fell. We got Mr. Young's Jeep taken care of. We got new adjustable rough country control arms all the way around. So shouldn't have no more crazy alignment situations no more. So cured that up. We also did some gears. We did 410 gears in it, so should and little 33s should be just fine. Should get the power back up. We got Mr. Matthews' Jeep in here. We did a radiator and an oil change. Got her done. Chris's Jeep got a little jacked up on the last ride. The control arm mount on the driver's side got pretty much, it was over here. So we had to cut it, bend it, re-weld it because we don't have any heavy duty ones here at the moment. So we just kind of temporarily fixed it. So we bent it, welded it, got that handled, got a new fuel pump in it because the fuel pump was dying. So we got that sorted. The pig is coming along nicely. We got new suspension. Of course, we did a full coating on it. So we did a full underbelly coating. That way it doesn't rust, no issues. Special ordered leaf springs, all that fun stuff. So that's rocking and rolling. We got sound deadening and heat shielding going in. So getting all that rocking. We got the new trans. So everybody say hello to a Stage 2 B&M automatic turbo 350. So that's kick-ass. Yeah. So that should hold all the ponies we're about to put to this thing. Cole is not doing shit. No, I'm just joking. Say hi. And Chris is, they're both working pretty hard today. They're working on the school bus because, again, we're about to leave this weekend to come to Stony Lonesome. So the last time we ever touched it was right before Jeep Invasion, and we were just like busting it, just trying to get it livable. So now we have the opportunity to kind of just button some things up, add in a couple extra features. That way it's a little bit nicer. So we did, Colt did some window tinting. So he tinted these windows on the doors because it was letting in a lot of heat. And he tinted that window. So now that's good. We removed all the old frost because it looked like crap. So now we're putting new frost on that looks a hell of a lot better. So we're doing that, and then Chris is dealing with the bathroom situation, so creating us some shelves so we can put stuff in there. We also have a giant hole cut out of the roof because we're going to be putting in a fan, so that when you take showers, you can turn the exhaust on without opening the door, because that was the issue last time. So pretty much it's gonna sit up in there kind of like that, and then the fan's out here on the floor or on the ground. So there's the I think they're called Max fans or something. I don't know, they're super expensive. Anywho, so we also did a little bit of maintenance on the bus. So when I first drove this thing, it was really nice, it was really cool, but the turbo was just really loud, and it was cool, and I was like, hey, turbo noises, but it was like a little too loud. So what we did, I don't know where I'm going right now. So what we did was we opened up the dog box, started taking a look around, just maintenance stuff, changed the oil, and check top off the coolant, all that fun jazz. But we found out that the intercooler piping right at the turbo, there's a coupler. So a coupler, and it goes to the pipe to the intercooler, and then it comes back into the intake. So we found out that this rubber coupler was laying literally right on top of the exhaust manifold. So the reason it was so loud, and the reason why I was coming back from windrock and it started losing a little bit of power, is because it melted holes in it. So that's awesome. So you can see that it literally melted holes through it. So that's always fun. So we put in a new coupler. We changed the intercooler piping around because they had it on backwards. That's why this was sitting so low on the exhaust manifold. So we changed that around, changed out the coupler, so that's garbage now, and got all that fixed. So I actually have I had boost before, but now I'll have the correct amount of boost. So that should be fun. Chris, say hi to everybody.
Hey, Matt. Everybody.
Chris is having a great time on the bus. You always have a great time working on the bus, don't you?
I hate the bus,
You hate? Why you hate my bus?
Because it's a school bus.
It's a school bus. Everybody loves the bus. You did a good job on the bus so far.
Matt just wants to go glamping.
Glamping, yes. Yeah. Well, duh. Who wants to sit out in a tent when it's hotter than balls or cold as crap? Nobody wants to do that. It's not cool. So anywho, guys, I appreciate it. If you are coming out with us to the Duck Jeep, we'll see you there. I don't remember what campsite. I think we're in 2 or 4. I'm not sure. It was either 2 or 4. Of course, we have some other rides planned. So we got AOP. We've got some other stuff. So guys, if you want to come out and ride with us or come out and see us, or if you need anything on your vehicle, just give us a call. We'll get it handled. Guys, I appreciate it. We'll see you.